not go there. Rohan? I'm here. Over. A! W oknie! Chodź. Come on, we're going through this labyrinth here. Coverujem dvere ovdje. Tu sam sad. Mam go dole, počkaj doknje je jedan. Boys, friend me! Fuck no. Wait, somebody coming, I don't know who. Wait, somebody coming from there. There, he hide. He did hide. He's behind the wall. Hit! Ouch.
Friendly fire, I think.
Or to ty si tam bol! Stoj tu, to ty si tam bol! Do piči! Me?
You shot us through the hole, didn't you?
Yeah.
Someone shot us through the hole.
Me,
We were
just
fucking
now.
pushing that way.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
What did we say? Outside!
Friendly fire, you can shoot me.
Our legs were fixing that
I
way.
don't know who's
We are
there.
enemy.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, sorry. I'm
That's okay,
apologizing.
big friend. How to tell her? I think that's friendly fire.
Sorry. He's dead. Hey! Roman, jedź tam! Газги. Eat. You big. His mom. Oh, sorry. Hold on, say that. I'm sorry.
Right, you sure that was?
Michel, pozor, zbokuje. Jest dead. Nice one, I cleared that. Two of them, they are dead on that side. I already hit you, mate. I hit you in the belly. Where is Marshall? Where is Marshall? I need a Marshall.
I shot you first regardless.
You shot him as well, it didn't say.
Yeah,
You shot him as well, it didn't say. Come on. Marshall! Marshall! I hit the fella in the chest. I hit the fella in the chest, he didn't say. Another fella came to me, he says as well, he shot him in the face, he didn't say. That one over there with helmet. He turned his face to me. So why do Man, I was hit you in the chest when you came in. And you told me you don't give a shit about that. I had on a GoPro, mate. That's it.